everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make tori no shōgayaki. When we say shōgayaki, it means pork ginger. So it's usually made with pork. But chicken one is as good as pork one. And actually, I like the chicken one better than pork one. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this tori no shōgayaki. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken breasts, 1 or 2 onions depending on the size, 4 tablespoons of potato starch or cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of sake, and some salt and pepper. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons each of mirin, sake, soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and some ginger, as much as you like. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half and slice this way. Into 4 or 5. Same for the other one. And chicken. Let's remove the skin. And trim off the fat if there is any. Cut into half, long way. Slant the knife and slice. Put it back into the bowl. About half a teaspoon of salt and pepper and 2 tablespoons of sake. Rub it well. And let it sit for 5 minutes. Let's put the chicken into the bowl of starch. Only the chicken, not with the liquid. Heat up about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan of a medium to medium-high heat. Let's cook the chicken. And cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Now, the chicken is like 90% cooked. Let's add the onion. Keep cooking until the onion is wilted. Okay, turn the heat off and let's add the seasonings. Sake, mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and ginger straight into the frying pan. I'm going to grate it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. As much as you like. I'm doing about 3 tablespoons. Give it a mix. Turn the heat back on and cook for a minute over medium heat. Now the sauce is nicely thickened and it's smelling so good. Turn the heat off and it's done. Let's serve on the plate. And 鶏の生姜焼き is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。The gingery sauce is so good. And it's lighter than pork shogayaki, and I simply love it. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鶏の生姜焼き is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and spinach miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes. But how about mizuna no salada for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!